You can never be too sure about keeping your money secure. That's why Vauld gives you a number of security features so you can sleep peacefully. From the dashboard, go to Settings in your profile and then Security. The first option is Multi-Factor Authentication, or MFA. This feature requires a code from an authenticator app on your phone to log in. So even if your login credentials are compromised, your account can't be accessed without your phone. To set it up, scan this QR code or enter a setup key from your authenticator app. Now, each time you log in, you'll be asked for a code which will keep getting reset by your authenticator app. The second feature is called Anti-Phishing Code and allows you to set up a custom code which appears on every future email from Vauld in your inbox. This helps you identify genuine emails and evade phishing attempts. You can use the Device Management feature to make a list of devices that you have marked as trusted while logging in. You can mark devices as untrustworthy, and whenever your account becomes inactive in these devices, you will be logged out automatically. Safe listing is another security feature that enables users to authorize withdrawals to only verified accounts. This includes crypto addresses, bank accounts. Once enabled, every withdrawal address added will have a 24-hour cool-off period, during which withdrawals to it cannot be made. So even if your login credentials are compromised, a malicious actor cannot immediately withdraw your assets. You can enable safe listing by going into Settings, then Saved Addresses, and clicking on Enable Safe Listing. Once you initiate it, you'll get an OTP via email. Entering it will make your account safe and sound. So sleep without nightmares and with your crypto security needs taken care of with Vauld.